Okay, turns out, not DLC. What these are, and the reason why they're labeled differently from the rest, is because I got these quests from hacking into the terminals and learning things. So one of these is the cult, and one of these was like a distress signal or something. So I got these from a computer, which is why they're named differently. So I will be doing those. I didn't realize because they're not, you know, Citadel or UNC. I guess these are just like throughout space. This is on the Citadel, and these are bonus? Either way, not quite the quests I was expecting. But first, before I go off and fly and do those, I do actually want to go back to Trebin here and pick up the things I didn't get. I just hope there's no more Thresher Mauls, because not exactly fun. What do I want? Let's bring Kaiden, and let's bring Garrus again. This is my bro squad, alright? These two. I'm gonna have some tech, we're gonna have a lot of tech, and we're gonna have some biotic. And only a tiny bit of, combat. But it's okay, because combat can be made up with skill. Hacking and biotics cannot. So I'm gonna head to this debris, because I already explored this research base, excavation site. Did I already? Yeah, I got the Turian wreckage, because that was the thingy I found. The Turian insignia. So there's an anomaly and debris. So let's go towards those. And again, I hope I don't find another Thresher Maw, because kind of horrifying, kind of awful. Oh, it's over there. It wasn't terribly fun to fight. I mean, I got it eventually, but no more for now, hopefully. Oh my god, go up the mountain. Oh, what is my frame rate, though? What is happening to the frames? Oh, I see the ore deposit. Oh, where are my frames? I don't know why it's so weird. Let's survey this. Oh, I have to do... Why do I have to do a minigame to survey it? That's fine. I'll do it. Got it. Rare element surveyed. Successfully surveyed a small deposit of plutonium. Good. Let's get in and go. Where was the last one? It's like further up ahead. Oh, that's a totally different... That's a totally different thing. Huh. Am I going the right way? I didn't even look. Yes. So, I don't know if this thing actually can flip, but as I mentioned before, it controls very much like a warthog. Which makes me think it's going to flip. There are enemies on that debris. So, let's see what's happening here. I mean, it says they're hostile. Let's see. Oh, yep, they're hostile.
Shield's disabled.
Ooh, hang on. Hang on. I know I'm not trained in them, but... There we go. You shooting rockets? Ow!
All patched up.
What hit me? Guys, can you help? No. Where even are they?
Shield's disabled.
Oh my god, snipers! Kaiden, you have this ability, don't you?
Now I'm ready.
Oh, it only affects you, huh? Alright, well that hurts. Where is he? Get lifted. Float helplessly through the air while I demolish you. Alright, Alright, where's the last guy? Ooh, yeah, there's a sniper. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, that sniper hurt a lot.
Clear.
Alright, let's inspect this. What? What? Hang on. Electronic skill too low? Can I fix that immediately? I can fix it with Kaiden. Alright, how much do I have? I have 1. I definitely do not have enough. Whoops. But Kaiden can fix that, right? Come on, gimme. Alright, is that good enough? Can I do it now? A little more. How about now? Still too low. Kaiden, help me out here. There we go. Oh my god, this is a rough one. Just kidding. Alright, take it all. Alright, also, Kaiden does need to actually upgrade the rest of his stuff. So, I don't know what to give him. Let's get Sentinel up a bit more. I probably could have commanded them to run in. What else do I... Let's get Decryption up. At least 2 points there. So I guess Barrier only works on yourself. I thought it gave it to the whole party, but I guess it does not. And I guess I'll put points into Throw so that way he can eventually get Lift. Because Lift is good for disabling people. Man, I have my points scattered everywhere. Oh, you don't have... Oh, you do have electronics. I just haven't gotten you to it yet because you need to get First Aid. Alright. I'm so glad I brought Kaiden along. I probably should have brought Talia along, but I did not think about that. Apparently Tech Bros was not tech enough. Is this anything? Hang on. Holster.
Just lead the way.
Will do.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I probably should have stayed in the car, if I'm honest. But I wanted to see... That's still not sprint. I wanted to see if I could handle it. And I mean, I could, but it was rough. Alright, where's the last thing? It's all the way up there. Can I? I can. Give me that. Waypoint. I swear, if this anomaly is another Thresher Maw, I'm gonna be unhappy. I would actually still rather fight regular people. But... we'll see. I'm getting close. It's also in the corner of the map. And I'm not going to test those boundaries. Where in the... Oh, there. There in the... That's a lot of probes and stuff. Transmitter tower. Can I get out on this? Okay, I can. Deactivate. Transmitting tight beam signals into geosynchronous orbit. This disrupts the survey team's GPS satellites, causing them to crash nearby. Oh, we'll turn that off. Oh, that's what these are. These are all satellites that are crashed from the thing. Okay. Not gonna lie, these satellites are kind of tiny. But I guess that's future tech right there. You can downsize everything. Alright, I don't know what's wrong with my frame rate and why it's dying so badly on this planet. But I need to leave this planet because it is hurting me. Like, physically. I can probably just leave, yeah? How do I do that again? Map? Yeah, Return to the Normandy. So I found the plutonium deposit. I wonder if there's more around here. I don't want to find out. Can I... Clear destination? There we go. There's a disabled transmitter. Let's leave. Alright, I've done what I can on that planet. Where do I need to go next? Because I was going to do... Missing Marines is in the Artemis Tau, so not yet. So Privateers. So, Strenus System, Horsehead Nebula Cluster. We're looking for Gareth's brother. So... Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Looking for Horsehead Nebula? Argos Rho, Novaria, Exodus Cluster, Attican Beta, Armstrong, Kelper, Hawking Eta, Argos Rho. Wait, can I look at my journal from here? I cannot. Where is it I'm going? Oh, Horsehead Nebula, Novaria. Oh, but there's also a story there. I'll hit it anyway. Pax. No, I need to head to Strenos. Here we go. Warping through. Getting railgunned to new places. I like that it's not just like opening a warp gate, it's we're getting railgunned. Alright, so it's one of these places, I guess. Yavin? No, Zawin. Warning, level 1 cold hazard. Zawin has a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and ethane. The surface is frozen, mainly composed of cobalt with deposits of copper. Planet-side conditions are hazardous with constant ice storms racking the surface. So it takes 97 years to go around. 1 day is almost 1 day, though. One Earth day. Atmospheric pressure, it is negative 131 Celsius. Surface gravity is almost Earth gravity, though. It's just not habitable. The Salgan. I can't land here either. Standard hydrogen helium gas giant. Oh, because it's a gas giant. There's nowhere to land. The Salgan's atmosphere is tinted blue by trace quantities of methane. Alright. Spins fast, though. How about you, Traylon? Can't land here either. Traylon is a lifeless rock with a trace atmosphere of xenon and krypton. Its surface contains large amounts of iron and magnesium silicates. Due to heavily cratered terrain, starships are discouraged from landing. A Solarian religious cult claims that a certain pattern of overlapping craters in the southern hemisphere resembles their goddess. Alright, well, have fun with that, guys. It is minus 147 Celsius. If there were land, it would be frozen. Alright, Anatara. I can survey it. Anatara is a standard hydrogen helium gas giant with traces of ammonia. Hydrocarbons in the atmosphere lend it a distinct brown tint. Gas deposit surveyed, scans from orbit detected a large concentration of helium-3. Alright, there are 2 left? Yeah, because that was Zawin, the Salgan. Oh, there's 1 left. Yeah, just this one. Yunthorl. Shrouded by a thick atmosphere of complex hydrocarbons, Yunthorl has never been fully mapped. The surface is hot and completely covered by a global ocean of liquid hydrocarbons. There are indications of primitive organic life developing deep within the global ocean. Alright, so life is starting to begin there, but it's covered in inhabitable by human peoples. Yeah, complex hydrocarbons. Oh, also it's super hot. So they're still going through their early dino phases. Or pre-dino phases, even. Medallion recovered. You uncovered an ancient deep space probe slowly orbiting Yunthorl. Tali brought it on board, dismantled it, and found a League of One medallion hidden in its payload. Cool. I can't help but feel like the people I was searching for are not here. And if they are supposed to be here, they're not. Because this is Strenos. The Salgan has nothing. Zawin has nothing. Yunthorl has nothing. And Atara has nothing. And Trillin has nothing. One is supposed to find something floating out here or something? Some people to help? No? Because Novaria's there, and I'm not supposed to... Well, I can go there, but I'm not going to go there yet. But this is the Horsehead Nebula. Hang on. UNC privateers. Go to the Strenos system. Search for signs for Gareth's brother and his ship. I didn't see any signs. I'm in the system. Wait, locate signs of battle. Found so. Oh, this is the Solarian, collection. So, Saurian medallions, Turian insignias, Asari writings, minerals, and then Sparta System Artemis Tau. I didn't find anything here. Strenus, Horsehead Nebula. Search for signs of the ship. I have not seen any signs of ship. Is there someone I can talk to here to be like, hey, how do we find a ship? Who are you again? We don't know. Presby.
Yes, Commander?
Nothing of use.
Carry on, Presley.
Yes, sir.
Joker. How do we scan for people? Because last time I did something like this, the ship was just on the map.
Commander, something you need?
I have to go.
All right, see you.
Alright, I guess I'll go back to the map and see if I can find anything there. Again. Unless there's supposed to be, like, a distress signal or something. But I didn't see anything on the map. Which is the weird part. I'm not... Is there supposed to be a ship out here? Because I'm not seeing it. Very confused. Can I go to the sun? So there's 5 planets orbiting this solar system. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And no ship out here that I'm supposed to be finding. No signs of it. Huh. Weird. And none of these I can land on either. There's just nothing here. Alright, guess I'm leaving. Leaving to where is the question, though? Let's see, strange transmissions. Discovered a strange transmission discussing some sort of biotic commune. Oh yeah, this is the cult. On a whole, it seems harmless, but something about the message seems disturbing. Head to the Sentry system, the Hawking Eta cluster, and investigate the strange biotic commune. So, Hawking Eta, Sentry. Back. Hawking Eta was up here, wasn't it? Yeah. And Sentry is the only solar system here. And we go again. It's a good thing it's a really cool animation, because we're going to be seeing this a lot.
Message coming in, Commander.
Oh, here we go.
Big surprise. The Alliance needs you again.
What a surprise.
Shepard, this is Admiral Hackett with Alliance Command. We've got a mission for you.
Yeah?
An Alliance officer named Major Kyle has set up a small compound in the Hawking Eta cluster. He's attracted a number of followers, mostly biotics.
This is going to be painful. Biotics are hard to fight.
He's become an outspoken critic of the Alliance, and we believe he's mentally unstable. This could be trouble, Shepard.
Okay.
I'll look into it.
3 days ago, we sent 2 Alliance representatives to meet with him at his compound. They've disappeared. We believe Kyle and his followers killed them.
Oh, good.
That compound is a cult, Shepard. They call him Father Kyle now. He set himself up as some kind of religious leader.
Let's see. Talk about his followers.
You said his followers were biotics?
Yes. Major Kyle never showed any biotic tendencies himself, though. I think he's just latched onto a group he identifies with.
How's that work?
Many biotics feel marginalized or
Oh.
ostracized by society. Kyle probably sees them as victims who need his protection, and they see him as someone who will fight for them. Unfortunately, he's convinced them that the Alliance is somehow responsible for all their problems. We can't let him go on like this.
So what about the officers?
What were those Alliance representatives going to talk to Major Kyle about?
They wanted to bring him back to an Alliance facility for treatment. Major Kyle served us faithfully for many years. We weren't going to abandon him. Given his state of mind, however, he probably saw them as a threat. We're almost certain he had his followers killed him.
What else can you tell me about Major Kyle?
He used to be a model soldier, but something happened to him at Torfin.
Ooh,
Too many Alliance
survivor's
soldiers
guilt.
died under his command. Couldn't cope with the guilt. His psych evaluations showed he couldn't handle the stress of command anymore. He was given an honorable discharge in early retirement. We'd hoped he would get better in time, but we underestimated how far gone he was. Now it looks like it's too late.
Well, maybe I can reason with him.
I might be able to end this without violence.
That may not be possible, Commander. We don't want a bloodbath, but Kyle is dangerous. I'll trust you to use your judgment. Hack it out.
Well, we'll see if I can talk him down or not. Alright. Where was he? Tamahara is a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and xenon. The surface is icy and composed of sodium oxide with deposits of calcium. It contains a few unremarkable metals, but mainly consists of rock. The presence of canyons and floodplains indicates that liquid water once existed, suggesting Tamahara had a thicker insulating atmosphere in the past. Oh, it used to be, I guess, habitable, but now there's no atmosphere. Let's see this ringed one. Tharopto. Survey it. Tharopto is a typical hydrogen-helium gas giant with traces of chlorine and sulfur in its atmosphere. It has over 100 moons and an extensive ring system composed of pulverized rock, presumably the debris from shattered moons. Found a medallion! Discovered a tiny moon with some odd readings. Further scans by Chief Engineer Adams revealed a destroyed escape pod. Your salvage team recovered the components and found a League of One medallion. Sweet. Finding collectibles. Next, Presrop. Oh, I can land here. Presrop is the moon of Klendagon. It is a frigid, barren world with an extremely thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and ethane. The crust contains plentiful deposits of heavy metals. The Alliance has opened bidding for the moon's mineral rights, but exploitation will be complicated by the system's proximity to the 5 kiloparsec ring around the galactic core. The ring is in an area of intense star formation and too dangerous to safely travel. Presrop's landscape is a nightmare of jagged, overlapping ridges and geological shock zones created by some ancient disaster. This has not deterred a generation of illegal wildcat miners from attempting to exploit the moon's mineral riches. Unfortunately, many have lost their lives. Good. That sounds like terrain I exactly want to drive on. Let's say a terrestrial world of average size. Kanktra's atmosphere is composed of nitrogen and argon. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of tin with deposits of calcium. Aside from some spectacular formations of water ice at the poles, the planet has little to recommend it. So, no life. Light metal surveyed. Got some cobalt. Alright. Just the 4. Oh, yeah, I see the asteroid belt here. That would be very rough to get through. Or around, even. Overall, not fun. Alright, let's see what's on Presrop. I'm sure this is going to go swimmingly. Let's bring Tali for the electronics. And let's bring Rex so we can have some biotic as well. Biotic in combat. Drop us off. Man, this thing can, like, survive orbital entry, which is crazy, because that is not a comfortable drop. The shocks on it are also amazing. Probably shouldn't wear those shocks out, though. Let me take a look at my units real quick. Okay. Let's get your electronics up as well. I can get you shotguns now. Alright, we can go with that. Rex, how are you? And me. Almost gonna level up, like 1,000 more. Alright, so there's biotic compound, oh good. An anomaly, and debris. Also, something else? Is this... This is something else entirely on the map. Like, I don't see that on the overmap, but I see it on the minimap. Oh god, it's gonna be a Threshamar, isn't it? Hang on. Let me just in case. Just because... Yeah, this is gonna be a headache. Might as well have a save here. Because this is a big open area. Ripe for boss fighting. Bring it on, Mega Worm. Oh, I was too close. I missed. Ah, the rocky terrain kicked off my cannon. Yeah, you're unhappy, huh? I'm breaking your tentacles. Come on out. Ooh, hang on. Ow, that hurt. Ow, that hurt. Pick it up. There we go, gotcha. Woo! That a level up? No, not yet. That was only 400. Alright. Got that Thresher Maul. I figured out how to fight them. It's working out. The map super doesn't tell me that exists, though. It's just on the minimap. So considering that's there, that must be the only thing here. Now, is that the main planet, or is that a second moon? Because this one is one moon. Alright, what was I headed next, anyway? Not the biotic compound. This anomaly. Why did that back out? Oh! Open journal. That's... Is that a major I don't know. It just opens my journal for some reason when I click there. It doesn't actually direct me to anything. Alright, time to climb over this mountain somehow. I'm sure that'll be easy. Well, that's what the thrusters are for, right? What is that? Wait, is that something else? That's something else entirely! Oh my god, there's so many things I can find! Also, the radar doesn't sense hostiles, so that's good too. Ugh! I will say, this thing doesn't control great, but it does climb great, so I'll take it. Oh, come on, I was just praising you. Please. Come on. Yeah, you can do it. Ooh, look at this, a little settlement. Anybody in here? Discovery, cluster of prefab utility shacks with a distinctly ramshackle look to them. Set of rover tracks lead away over the mountain ridge to the southwest. To the southwest? So, here, where I'm headed, maybe. I'm parked, am I not? Oh, I repaired for some reason. What a waste of Omnigel. But this should be parked. There we go. Yeah, I just couldn't. Because of the repair going on. I can get this one. Oops. I say as I screwed up. Kessler 3. I have. Weapons. I should probably trash some of these at some point. What do I have now? I have a Lancer 1. I can probably set that to trash. Kessler 3 is worse damage, better accuracy. Edge 3. Tali, you use pistol, yeah? Yeah, let's give you an Edge 3. Can I give you ammo upgrades? I don't have any ammo upgrades. I have weapon upgrades, though. I have a lot of weapon upgrades. Weapon stability. Better damage, lower rate of fire. Worse heat absorption. Give you a combat sensor. I also have a Hurricane 2. This is the basic one, right? I can get rid of a Hurricane 1, though. Set that to trash. Next time I can sell it. I have an Avenger 1 right now. Hammer 1 is apparently garbage. Because I gotta remember to set stuff that I don't need. What about you, Rex? What do you need? You're a shotgun kind of guy, right? You already have a Hurricane 3? You already have a Hurricane 3. I can trash Storm 1s as well. Let's give you an Edge. Because I like the Edge. Were you also assault rifles? Just in case. You already have an Avenger 2. Which is fine. I should probably give myself something as well. I have a Lancer 1. I should probably give myself... Ooh, that accuracy rating tanks real far, though. It's fine, I'll land my shots. Scimitar 2. I like the Scimitar 2 compared to the Hurricane, I think. Yeah, almost everything about it is better. Edge is mine. I have a Reaper on this. 3 shots, 91 damage. It's the same, but slightly better accuracy. I'm fine with the Reaper. Alright. What's in this one? Malfunctioning object. Combat sensor and motorized joints. I need to remember to look at my weapon mods. Just because... Look at all these upgrades. Yeah, I'll need to sort through those in a second. Alright, so let's go over this ridge. Alright, well that didn't work. Aha! There's another question mark there. Is that the one I'm heading towards already, or is that... No, because there's like 3 overlapping there. Ugh. There are 2 different question marks on that one spot. Whoa. This is gonna go well. Don't take damage. Thank you. Don't get stuck, though. Alright, so there's like 2 things in this one spot here. Somehow this counts as level. I'll be able to get back up here, right? Hang on. Whoa! What do you mean target? Clear. Where? Rex, you can't just say that and then give me no target. I hope I can climb back up this.
Dead and done, just the way I like them.
Rex, there was nothing here. Ancient debris. Recover the artifact. Terran insignia. Digging under the beacon revealed a piece of scrap metal, likely from an old freighter. Marked on one side with the Mason outpost insignia. Alright, now what about... Mining vehicle. That's a body. In front of you is a rover crumpled and from impact. A glance inside tells you that the Uckmans, probably a team of illegal wildcat miners, are dead. Debris still sliding down the furrows left by its tires, silent in the near vacuum atmosphere. Well, you guys tried. What hostile did you see, Rex? Because that's concerning. Because there's A, none on the map, and B, none in the area. So can I just, like, run up this? How do I get back? Have I made a mistake? I may have made a mistake. Stuck in the crater. Or do I have to, like, finagle this? Do I have to go around in a weird way? Why does my frame rate feel so bad? Okay, then there's that, which is not the frame rate, that's the game being weird. Alright, map. Let me just return to Normandy. Because I am stuck. Alright, and now let's go back in. Because that was a poor decision I made. Still gonna take Rex and Tally, though. I don't suppose I can skip this. No, because this is a loading screen. So I wonder, are these like... No, they can't be procedurally generated, can they? Alright, yeah, there's those 2. There's the biotic compound, and I gotta hit that debris. Well, I should probably... There we go. So I did find the camp, and apparently the debris and the other debris were sitting in the same spot. So that works out for me. Gotta get over this mountain. But yeah, that getting stuck is exactly what I was worried about when I heard that this place was, like, awful terrain. Because I knew that was gonna happen somehow, some way. Not that I really tried to avoid it, because I knew I could just warp out. But, like, it doesn't make it fun. Alright, so now I'm above the wreckage I saw earlier. It's fine. That's... I managed to flip it. You know, I thought it would stabilize when I hit the jets. It did not. Alright, where's this ore deposit? Is that it in there? Am I gonna get ambushed by things underground? It's a crashed probe. Oh, is it debris, not... thing? No, it is debris. It's not an ore deposit. I thought it was an ore deposit. Alright, let's go. Bypass. There we go. Toxic seals and recoil dampener. Again, gonna need to figure that out. Those upgrades and whatnot. Alright, last one is the biotic compound. I don't know if there's anything else on this planet or moon, but it's already unpleasant to investigate, so let's just go deal with some psychopsychics. Is that politically incorrect for me to say? Alright, can I make it up this? I can if I boost. Go, okay. That blasted me backwards. Don't know why I didn't think it would, or wouldn't, but, had to give it a shot. Yeah. Making it. Sliding down. It's fine. Listen, you can't judge me on my driving. This terrain is not vehicle-friendly. Trying to make the best of it. Alright, well, there's the compound. Ooh, there's more stuff here, though. Like that big old ore deposit up there. Oh, that's ore. Debris is the one that looks like rocks. Ore looks like sand dollars. I don't know why it looks like sand dollars. Is that gold? Is that just gold? It is gold. Give me that. Successfully surveyed a large deposit of gold. Is that still a rare, expensive metal, or is that just normal nowadays? Alright, that's rock. I thought that was a body. Alright, so where's the entrance to this place? I assume it's that. I'm gonna park non-threateningly right outside. I'm definitely not gonna have my cannon pointed right at the door. Yeah? Not that button. That's not my sprint button. I'm gonna keep doing that, because spacebar for sprint is super unintuitive. Spacebar for interact is also unintuitive, and the fact that they're bound to the same thing is bizarre. Knock knock.
This is a private sanctuary. Outsiders are not welcome here.
I have to see Major Kyle.
I need to talk to the man in charge. It's important.
Father Kyle wants nothing more to do with the Alliance.
I'm here to help.
I want this to end peacefully. If he doesn't see me, people could get
That sounds
hurt.
like a threat. Why would you say it like that?
You take Father Kyle away. He protects us. We need him.
He needs my help.
The Alliance wants someone to pay for those murders. Let me speak to Major Kyle, and maybe I can find some way to help you all get out of this alive.
Wait. Father Kyle will speak with you. Head to the building at the far end of the compound. He'll meet you there.
Okay. That one? Alright, power gun points. Negotiation successful. Well, we don't know if it's successful yet, but... Hello? Hello? I'm here to talk. Oh, they're not combatants! Success! Hello?
Father Kyle says other humans are scared of us because they know we're better than them.
That's nice, but you can't even hold a gun properly. I see you holding that gun by the back, not even by the grip.
Just because we're biotics doesn't mean we don't deserve to be treated fairly.
That's true. You're totally right. You can hold a gun properly, too. I don't know what's wrong with her. You guys, what do you... I'm gonna keep moving. If you guys get stuck and I'm in trouble, then it's gonna suck for me, but... So, they're all armed with pistols because they're all biotics.
The Alliance wants to wipe us out. Father Kyle told us.
Look at this battle room that I am avoiding. Look at this battle room that my teammates are not coming into. At least I hope I'm avoiding it. Oh, power junction. I could blow that up. Ooh, storage locker. Hello.
The Alliance sent assassins to kill Father Kyle, but we stopped them.
I wonder if he didn't know that people came to talk and they were killed by the cultists. That's why he's like, wait, hang on. I can probably hack this without repercussions, right? Eh. There we go. Edge 3, Scimitar 2, Hammer 3. I didn't steal from you guys, I just opened a locker. Give me this, I need med gel. I just want to see if there's anything else around here that I can obtain. I think that's it. Oh, hang on. Oh, no, you're a person. Ooh. This is remastered, but the game is still developed by Bethesda, was it? BioWare? It's published by Bethesda. Right? Something along those lines. Hello? Which way do I go? Let's go this way. Hello?
If you try to take Father Kyle away from us, you'll end up like those other Alliance soldiers.
Okay. I'll make sure not to do it. Cryo explosive and armor plate. I can have new grenades? Hang on. Not that one. This one. Grenades. Oh, I can... Oh, I just have a grenade launcher, and I can add different grenades to it. Right, I keep forgetting I have grenades. Incendiary explosive releases a thermal paste on detonation that clings to and burns through virtually all known substances, so it's napalm. Versus cryo, upgraded grenades contain a small Bose-Einstein condensate, a mass of supercooled subatomic particles. When detonated, they're capable of snap freezing nearby targets, and reduces their max accuracy, or reduces my accuracy. I'm not sure what that is. But this doesn't kill them, it freezes them. Alright, I assume that's good for me, because the higher one gives minus max accuracy. Or damage over time. Am I the only one who can use grenades? Yeah, I am. The others don't have a grenade button. Well, I don't know if I'm capable of using grenades. I keep forgetting I have that button. I also have a melee button that I never use, but that's probably for the better, because I don't want to get up close. High explosive grenades. Okay, and improved sighting. Alright, thanks, guys. Hello?
I am Major Kyle. I know why you've come. We have no quarrel with you. Why can't you just leave us alone?
Where are the investigators?
What happened to those other Alliance officers? The ones who came before me?
They wanted to take me away from here. They wanted me to abandon this place, turn my back on my family. They spoke blasphemy. I did what I could to make their end quick and painless. I had no other choice. It was necessary to protect my children. Only I can keep them safe.
They're super not safe, though, because now they're wanted for murder.
The Alliance sent me to bring you in, Major. Can't you see this has gotten out of hand? Don't you understand you're endangering your followers?
I respect that you have come under a banner of peace, but I cannot do as you ask. If you take away their father, my children will be helpless.
You can't help them now.
You ordered your followers to kill those Alliance investigators. You must face the consequences of your actions. Do you really want your children to suffer for your sins too?
No, this was my fault. My children are innocent, pure. Please, I never meant for this to happen.
Yeah, but you made mistakes.
I'm sorry.
I know this isn't easy, but come with us.
You're doing the right thing, Major. Your children will be better off for it. Come on.
Wait, if my children see you taking me away, they won't understand. They will attack, and you will be forced to kill them all.
Well, let's not do
You've
that.
shown me the error of my ways, Commander. Now you must give me time to explain it to them. It is the only way they will understand. Please, give me 1 hour. After that, I will meet the Alliance authorities at the gates of my compound and surrender without violence. I give you my word.
Okay.
I'm going to trust you. If you betray that trust, you and all your children will suffer.
I will not betray you, Commander. Thank you for this.
Because you do realize I can gun my way out.
Have an Alliance command patrol pick Major Kyle up. I just hope you know what you're doing, Shepard.
Me too. You should return to Normandy and notify the Alliance of Kyle's surrender. I want to dispatch a ship to take him into custody. Can I just go from here? No, I have to leave the compound.
I will surrender myself to the Alliance outside the compound gates in 1 hour, Commander. I give you my word.
We will nuke you from orbit if
Your
you
pilot
do not
can
agree.
Have an Alliance command patrol pick Major Kyle up. I just hope you know what you're doing, Shepard.
Is there anything else I can hear pick up? Anything in that corner? No. This corner? No. Well, I brought Rex along for combat, and, well, we didn't need him. Which, you know, it's better to carry a big stick and not need it. It's also better to not speak, so I don't stumble over my words, but I haven't learned that one yet. This is not the exit. Talia, are you okay? I saw you running back and forth, too. I know I'm lost, but you can't be lost also. Hey, look, a crate. Hurricane 3 and Striker 3. Striker 3 better than my Edge? Because I like my Edge. Also my pistols. Let me just check it real quick. Striker 3 is down here. Ooh, it is single shot, lower damage, and higher accuracy by 2. No, it is not good. Look at that. I didn't have to shoot anybody down. Yet. Let's hope it stays that way. Alright. Well, I can just warp back. Back to the Normandy. I did it. I negotiated. Someone gonna talk to me? Return to Normandy. Admiral Hackett needs to be informed, so how do I do that? Do I talk to Joker? Do I talk... Oh! Do I go to the comm room? Is that a thing? That's not a thing. Do I just go to the map? Is that what it is? I just access the map and it'll be fine?
Message coming
Yes.
in. Patching it through.
Admiral Hackett here, Commander. Your helmsman just forwarded your report on Major Kyle. We sent in a team as you instructed. Kyle's followers have disbanded, and the Major surrendered to us without incident.
Success.
We'll make sure he gets the help he needs. To be honest, Shepard, I thought this thing was going to end in a bloodbath. I don't know how you did it, but you saved a lot of lives. Congratulations.
Listen, Paragon for life. Now, get out, because I need to... I wish I can exit from here, but I have to zoom all the way out if I want to leave the map. Because I need to know where to go next. Alright, save the cultists. Unusual readings. Hydra System, Argos Row Cluster. Got it. Let's go to Argos Row Hydra. One more. Alright, Argos Row was nearby? There it is. Hydra's the only one. Let's slingshot on over. You know, when you think about it, a railgun is just a really high-tech slingshot, now isn't it? I mean, in an electromagnetic slingshot, yeah, but a slingshot. Alright, so there's 5 planets here. Seba. That one looks like it's all water. Seba is a standard Neptune-type gas giant. Okay. Gas, water. It's gas. The upper cloud decks of its hydrogen-helium atmosphere tinted a dramatic blue by traces of methane. I mean, it's very blue. It's a beautiful blue. But there's no land. Gas deposit. Got some helium-3. I'm working our way in. Say in, but there's another planet. Ah, there it is. This one. I'm trying to go by the rings. Canrum. Wow, that's long. Canrum is a small rocky world with a trace atmosphere of methane and krypton. Its surface is mainly composed of magnesium and silicates with deposits of carbon. Canrum was the site of the warlord Shiager's defeat by Turian peacekeeping forces during the Krogan rebellions. While this band was not especially powerful, Shiager was a female warlord, and one of the few remaining fertile females at that. Oh. She had, through viciousness and cunning, parlayed her unique value into a position of power. Krogan males competed for the right to join her band and lie with her. When Shiager's death was announced, vengeful male Krogan admirers near and far swore blood oaths against the participating Turian crews, I'm sure. In the end, several thousand of the Turian participants were killed in open combat or through assassination. To this day, many Krogan proudly proclaim that they have the blood of Shiager. Well, cool, I guess. Turian insignia. Scans of the planet Canrum revealed dangerous levels of radiation coming from orbit. Chief Engineer Adams conducted further scans and discovered the remains of an ancient warhead marked with a Parthia colony insignia. Fun and Turian stuff. Alright, Thear is next. Thear is a large gas giant with traces of chlorine and sodium in its atmosphere. It also has a significant amount of water vapor in the clouds of its upper atmosphere. Thear was struck by an asteroid at least 12 kilometers in diameter within the last 100 years. The superheating caused by the impactor's atmospheric passage created a large bank of vicious storms along the equatorial band. So I'm guessing this is... it's still a gas giant, so there's no land, which is the main problem. You can't really land on a place with no land. Oh well, no habitable places there. Metgos.
Message coming in.
Oh, there it is.
Patching it through.
General distress call. Sacred Angel medical transport. Critical system failure. Losing power. Emergency landing. Argos.
Well, that sounds problematic.
Failing. Life support. Emergency transponder. Won't last. Please hurry.
Should probably help them. Level 2 heat hazard. Metgos is a large terrestrial planet with an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Its hot surface is mainly composed of nickel with deposits of potassium and heavy metals. It is a mineralogical treasure trove, with concentrated heavy elements constantly being brought to the surface by volcanic activity. Metgos is inhospitable and dangerous, and expeditions must be well prepared to survive any length of time. With its high mass, heat-trapping clouds, and constant volcanic venting, Metgos seems well on its way to becoming a Venusian pressure cooker world. Oh, this is gonna suck. I probably can't leave the car in that case because we're gonna boil. I'm gonna bring Kaidan and Rex this time around. So, are we gonna start burning up immediately, or is the car insulated enough? Because the Mako, I hope, survives. Level 2 hazard. I probably just cannot leave. There's an anomaly there, and the transponder signal. I mean, I want to assume I'm on a time limit here, so I'm going to go rescue people. Also, if it's another frigging Thresher Maw, like, I can deal with it, but I don't want to deal with it. Oh, but there's a thing to survey there. Do I have to get out to survey it, or can I survey it from the car? You know, I don't know if I'll actually lose health by leaving the car, but... I hope I don't. But I also don't know why then they'd have a heat hazard. Ugh. Where is it? Down there? Is that it? Is that rock? Thorium. I have to get out, don't I? Surveying. There we go. Ooh, what is... Oh, that's the flag I put down to say I marked it. Successfully surveyed a large deposit of thorium. Yeah, that's my little marker. I saw that spawn. I'm like, what's happening graphically? It's like, no, it's fine. Alright, let's go rescue some people.
There's the down ship. This must be the place.
Oh.
Geth, there's a trap!
Ooh, ooh. Geth armature. I leveled up. Can you stop? They're really not doing too much to me, huh? Oh, missed you. Did I win? So this is actually nothing. This is a tiny escape pod, too. Ooh, I see the level 2 hazard going up. Ooh! It's a trap! Alright, so is that the end of the quest? Distress call. The downed medship turned out to be a trap set by the Geth. Fortunately, you're able to survive the ambush. Yep, that was it, huh? I did level up, though. So let's get that going. 4 points. I want... What do I want? Let me get advanced throw. I know I want more... Alright, I'm full up on charm. I need Spectre training. I need to get unity. That's what it is. Revive people. Alright. I want to get first aid so I can get to neural shock, but I also need to up electronics. Lift will have to wait. Because electronics and decryption are separate skill checks. I forgot about everybody else. Kaiden here has 4 points. I will also get him better throw. Better decryption. I don't know what better barrier. I like having him deal better tech explosion damage. Oh! Oh, having electronics helps heal the car too. Oh my god, Kaiden, you're the best. I should bring you along for everything. I should also probably bring along Tally, who can also do the same. Just dude's my bro, okay? He's the best. Oh yeah, you have throw and barrier as well. I should up that. Up that. And shotgun? So you can run in and shotgun people. Yeah. Alright, so that's that, I guess. I can go see the debris, and I can go see the anomaly. Debris first. So it was just a Geth ambush. Wasn't anything special. Although it's been a while since we've seen the Geth. Too bad they decided to ambush us while I'm in my supercar. Because I don't think they ever broke the shields. They hit me with some stuff. I didn't even know what they were hitting me with, but it clearly wasn't good enough to do anything lasting. So maybe this thing doesn't need to be upgraded. Maybe it's good enough as is. That's a lie. I don't actually think that.